In sigPOD PSV, custom features can be configured to meet a variety of test requirements. Each feature checks for a specific characteristic, for example, a maximum value. For each feature, the following parameters must be defined: type, start, stop, upper limit, and lower limit. In this example, a peak value feature type has been configured to return the maximum value of a waveform. By selecting the feature, the analysis window is displayed. The parameters will be adjusted. To change these parameters, go to the Edit Limits screen. If the Limits button is grayed out, log in using the Engineer or Administrator credentials. This will unlock the Setup buttons. Choose the feature to adjust. Type in the desired settings and press Enter after each change. The analysis window in the graph will be adjusted accordingly. The start and stop parameters specify the analysis range for the selected feature. They tell the software where to analyze the data. Data outside this range will be ignored. The upper and lower limits indicate the maximum and minimum values for the feature to pass the test. A value outside of these limits will result in a failed or rejected part. While in setup mode, the reviewed part is tested against the updated limits for easier adjustment. Several views are available for setting the limits. The default view is Features. This shows the collected waveform with the selected feature window. The histogram view shows the distribution of the values. A trend graph is also available, showing the feature values over time. Each feature has its own SPC data. The data is grouped per model. By looking at the trend view, it appears that the upper limit for the max value feature can be raised. The specified limits are plotted in red. The pink lines are the recommended limits based on a multiple of the standard deviation. Now, subsequent parts will pass the test. For more information about screens and settings in PSV, refer to the sigPOD PSV user guide.